Hello, my name is Emily Dunn, and the jobs I've chosen are either lawyer or a paralegal or a behavioral analyst. And for a lawyer, the education required is 4 years of undergraduate study and 3 years of law school where you get the Juris Doctor degree, and then you have to pass the bar exam in order to be qualified to be a lawyer. A paralegal has less qualifications because they are qualified to do less. So a bachelor's degree is not technically required, but you have higher chances of employment with a bachelor's degree, but you do have to have a paralegal certification. That is required. Then the third option that I'm interested in is a behavioral analyst. A bachelor's degree is required, but they would prefer you have a master's degree. And depending on the state you live in, you need a license. And depending on your employer, you would need to do a board certification. And 1,500 hours of work experience are required for the certification. So how my education relates to my 4-year plan. For a lawyer, that means I'm doing my bachelor's right now in psychology, and I'm considering doing or studying law as a master's afterwards in Germany, where I live, in Berlin. For a paralegal, my bachelor's in psychology is helping me develop the skills required, such as analysis and things like that. For a behavioral analyst, the bachelor's in psychology that I'm doing right now, and then potentially the master's in law would help me to understand how and why people think the way they do. I'm really interested in, I'm taking a developmental psychology class, and I'm interested in learning about how, people's genes and their environment affect them. I think that's super interesting. Oh, it's stuck. Oh. Okay, it's coming back. Okay, so this is me with my parents. I got back from a mission a couple weeks ago, like a month ago, so that I don't have a lot of pictures right now. So that's that picture. Why am I majoring in psychology? I love people. I love being with people and seeing how different people are and see what similarities people have with each other. I'm interested in what goes on behind someone's behavior. Like I said, that's self-explanatory. I love seeing how people develop and how they change, and analyzing what catalyzes or what hinders change. How do my reasons for studying psychology compare with Chapter 13's reasons? The first one is the same. I have a very strong interest in the subject matter of psychology. A bachelor's degree in psychology will help me or will prepare me for a job. Those are kind of the two strongest ones. So yeah, thank you.